Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and easy sugar-free dessert that's called Figs, Dates and Walnuts Burfi. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are a cup of figs that I soaked in water overnight, a cup of dates soaked in water overnight, some chopped walnuts and 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. The first thing that I'm going to do is to make a paste out of the soaked and rinsed figs and the dates, and I have this jar in which I'm going to make the paste. So I'm first going to make a paste out of the dates. So I've made a paste out of the dates, and now in the same mixture I'm going to puree the figs as well. So our figs and dates paste is now ready. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is to heat this pan and add the ghee. After adding the ghee, I'm going to add the figs paste that we made and also the dates. And now I'm just going to mix this together and let it cook in this oil till the moisture evaporates. So I'm just going to keep mixing this together. And now to this burfi, I'm going to add the nuts as well. These are the walnuts. Walnuts will give a very delicious crunch to our dates and figs burfi. And it's a very quick recipe. As you can see, it takes no time for the moisture to evaporate and the burfi to be ready. And now it's ready, and I'm going to transfer it into a dish. Now I've transferred this mixture into this dish, and I'm going to just spread a little bit of silver work, this edible silver, on top of this. Now let it set in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we're going to make pieces out of this. So now I took this burfi out of the refrigerator after cooling it for 3 to 4 hours, and I'm going to cut and make pieces out of this. And I'm going to take it out on this plate very carefully because it's soft. And now I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of walnuts on top. I hope you enjoyed this simple and delicious anjeer, that's figs and dates and walnuts burfi. If you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.